Hey everyone, today we'd like to introduce you to a new brand of Italian-made knives, MKM Maniago knife makers, that you can find at KnifeCenter.com. MKM is a new supergroup that's ready to rock the knife world, a partnership with some of the finest makers in Maniago, Italy's cutlery capital. LionSteel, Fox, Mercury, and Viper together are a force to be reckoned with, and their first set of releases is bound to take the knife world by storm. It's a collaboration with Western knife makers called the Mikita Collection. First up is the MKM Arvenis, an elegant framelock flipper designed by Lucas Burnley and made by Fox Knives. The cream of the crop is this Damasteel version. It has machined titanium handles with matching Damasteel Vinland inlays. There's also versions coming out with a marbled carbon fiber front scale and black PVD coated M390 blade steel. Rounding out the lineup are G10 liner lock versions with striking anodized aluminum inlays. The blade on these versions is stonewashed M390, and we've got a couple of great colors for a lot of contrast. With flowing lines, crowned spines, and buttery smooth action, the attention to detail on the Arvinus is truly world class. Next up is the MKM Clap, designed by Bob Terzola and crafted with precision by LionSteel. These knives feature a removable flipper tab, as well as a nail slot, accommodating both one-hand and two-hand opening preferences. The knife is available with or without a titanium bolster, and we've got a series of handle options including carbon fiber, G10, as well as Santos mahogany and olive wood. Sporting an M390 blade with compound grinds, the Clap can perform just as good as it looks. Now we come to the MKM Farah, built by Mercury and designed again by Lucas Burnley. This is a fully modern slip joint with a couple of different handle options, gray titanium, black anodized aluminum, as well as the wood options we mentioned before, Santos mahogany and olive wood. The titanium and aluminum versions feature solid piece side scales, while the wood versions feature stainless steel liners with wood overlays. The walk and talk on this knife is excellent, with a nice half stop for added safety. And little details like the crowned spine, which carries over into the crowned leaf spring, make it look extra special. The flowing lines on this knife make it a perfect fit for any classy occasion, and the M390 steel and aggressive blade profile make it work just as well as it looks. This knife also comes with a black leather sheath, which can either be used as a pocket slip or carried on your belt. From the fourth partner in this venture, we have the MKM Route, another Lucas Burnley design with M390 steel, this time made by Viper. There's two different versions of this knife available. The first is a front flipper, and the second comes with both a front as well as a conventional rear flipper. Each knife also has 4 different handle options, with multiple G10 scales available as well as carbon fiber, and also a couple of different anodized frame options. This knife also features their hybrid locking system, which is elegant and concealed like a liner lock, yet thick and strong like a frame lock. Finally, we have a fixed blade to add to the mix, and this is a Terzola design made by Fox called the MKM Joof. This tactical full-tang fixed blade features N690 blade steel and comes with either a Cerakote black coating or a stonewashed finish. The contoured G10 handle scales actually wrap around the tang, but they're cut away in a few key places, revealing some strategically placed jimping. Echoing the pivot collars on the folding knives, the front screw on the Joof contains a blue anodized titanium ferrule. A MOLLE-compatible drop sheath completes the package. Judging by this first set of releases, MKM has their sights set on being one of the top-tier players in the industry. Offering premium fit and finish and high-end materials at reasonable prices, we think these knives have what it takes to bring the fight to the latest crop of high-end Chinese mid-techs with all the flair and style that only the Italians can do. To get your hands on any of these knives, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. And in the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com.